Next, we will demonstrate the rose stitch. Prepare a 40-inch length of floss before stitching. This avoids the need to change floss while embroidering. We will use 6 strands of floss, color number 7 for this. Bring the needle through at the center of the circle. First, stitch these 5 baseline lines using straight stitch. After stitching all 5 baselines, bring the needle through next to one of them. Wrap around the first baseline where you just stitched. Pass under another baseline. Then wrap around the third baseline. Pass under the fourth baseline. The first round of wrapping is complete. The second round follows the same pattern. Interlaced whipped stitch. Gradually expand outward. Do not pull the floss too tight while wrapping. Keep the stitches at a proper tension. This makes the rose more dimensional and full, more vivid and realistic. Bring the needle down here for the last stitch. Rose stitch can be combined with French knot. This makes the rose shape stand out more. We will use 6 strands of floss, color number 3, for a French knot in the center. As the flower center, we bring the needle through the center. Then, hold the floss with your left hand. Hold the needle with your right hand. Wrap the needle around the floss 2 times. Bring the needle down to the center point. Slowly pull the floss. We adjust its shape with the needle. Make it look more beautiful and full. Let's take a look at the finished result.